In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect databases in Notion effectively. Notion is a flexible and powerful tool for organizing notes, tasks, projects, and more. One of its most useful features is the ability to connect multiple databases, allowing you to streamline and centralize information. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to get the most out of this feature. First things first, navigate to the Notion homepage. This is your hub for all Notion activities, where you'll find all the databases that you've created or have access to. The homepage is designed to provide a quick overview and enable seamless navigation. It's here that you will choose the database you want to connect to other databases. Carefully consider which databases you want to link, as this choice will impact how your information is organized and accessed. Once you've decided on the primary database to connect, it's time to initiate the linking process. To do this, locate within the database page where you'd like to place your link and type the / command, followed by link to page. This command is a powerful shortcut in Notion's toolkit, simplifying sophisticated tasks like linking pages or databases. Clicking on Link to Page will open up a list of possible databases or pages that can be connected. Next, you will see your existing databases presented as choices. This list aims to make the linking process as streamlined as possible. Browse through your list of databases and select the one you wish to connect. This flexibility allows you to create intricate networks of data interconnections tailored to your workflow needs. Now that you've linked the databases, the link to the selected database will appear directly where you placed it. This link is not merely a static reference. Clicking it takes you directly to the target database, granting you immediate access. This feature is particularly useful for those who work across multiple projects or with teams, as it helps maintain a seamless flow of information and increases efficiency by reducing the need to navigate back and forth manually between pages or databases. By connecting your databases, you're effectively creating a web of information that enhances the usability and efficiency of your Notion workspace. It allows you to maintain a high level of organization and ensures that all relevant information is within easy reach. Take some time to explore these connections and adjust your setup according to your specific needs and preferences. And there you have it, an easy way to connect databases in Notion. With these steps, you can enhance your Notion workspace, gain more value from your information, and enjoy a more streamlined and productive experience. Happy organizing!